Hello and welcome to my kitchen. This is my kitchen where during this season of lockdown I've been spending a lot of time, whether it's been working, whether it's been spending time as a family, or even most importantly, eating. I've been spending time in my kitchen. But one thing that I've also been doing a lot is baking. So I have been able to find flour, and I've been able to find eggs, I've been able to find lots of different things. I've been trying to do different things, whether it's been cakes, whether it's been flapjacks, whether it's been kind of bready type things. I've been giving things a go, and I've been really enjoying it. I've been following different recipes, whether it's been family recipes that have been passed down through the generations, recipes that I've found on the internet. I've been doing lots of different stuff. And people could argue what's the most important thing, right? What's the most important ingredient for, let's say, a Victoria Sponge sandwich, right? Some people might say it's the eggs, some people might say it's the flour because no one's been able to have anything because we've not been able to find the flour. Some people might say the sugar, some people might say the butter, some people might say lots of different things. What's the most important bit in the Victoria Sponge cake? Now, I know that you guys have been thinking about friendship a lot. Now, friendship is an amazing gift that each and every one of us have. We've got many different examples of friends. We've got best friends, we've got school friends, we've got neighborhood friends, we might have kind of activity friends, church friends, lots of different examples of friendships, right? And there are loads of different qualities that go into making that friendship work, aren't there? Loads of different ingredients to make a good friendship. But what's the most important? I think the most important thing within a friendship is communication, talking. Talking is a really important thing because at the moment, we're not physically able to see our friends, are we? Other than maybe from a safe distance in a park or on a walk or something like that. But physically, we can't hang out in the same way that we've been used to hanging out within our friends. And so this communication ingredient part of our friendship has become so important. And actually, one of the things that it's helped us to understand is the variety of ways to communicate, isn't it? See, you can communicate on FaceTime, on your iPads, or on your computers, on Skype, or any other kind of form of video messaging. Now, it's not just that though, is there? We can communicate writing a letter. I know that's something that we've been doing in this household, writing letters to aunts and uncles and grandparents and things. You can communicate over a console of some description, chatting to friends and being able to talk on those kind of things. You can communicate in a variety of different ways because communication is a really important thing to be able to do within our friendships. Friendships is an amazing thing. Even Jesus had close friends. And when Jesus was going through one of the most difficult parts of his life, right before he was going to be crucified, he gathered all of his friends and asked them to come with him and pray with him whilst he was preparing and getting ready. See, our friendships, our friends are such an important thing. And in this season, even though we might not be able to physically be with one another, I think ingredients-wise, there's lots of different things that we can pick and take and have. Communication is key in this season. And I want to encourage you to keep talking. Keep talking about how you're feeling. Keep talking about your frustrations. Keep talking about your dreams, your goals, your expectations when all this is over. Keep talking and find a way that we can keep connecting with one another, whether that is online, whether that's kind of sending a letter, whether it is any of the other methods of communication that you guys can think of. I want to encourage you to invest in your friendships today by communicating. Guys, I look forward to seeing you soon in your school in person, but thank you for joining me today. God bless, take care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you soon.